Yep. Finger got in the way.
Your finger got in the way?
Yeah.
Alright. That's funny.
Are you videotaping it too?
Yeah. It's a long ride, isn't it?
Very long. It doesn't take that long to get to the bottom though.
Yeah, it takes like a minute and a half at most to get to the bottom, but it takes like 3 minutes to get to the top. I actually gone through 3 songs just riding to the top before. I want to say where it is. It's at Blue Knob.
Blue Knob, Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Snowboard weekend.
Very cold up here.
Very cold. But some very cool runs.
I've only fallen about 3 or 4 times. It's very, very high.
All the way to the top.
We're not even halfway yet.
We're not even halfway yet.
Snow over there.
We've already been recording for 4 minutes and we're not even halfway there yet.
I've only been recording for about 3. Yeah, that's about how high it is. It's really high. We're almost at the halfway point. My dad recording his own. Fingers are very freezing. It's hard taking a video or a picture or anything with an iPod-touch. It doesn't work with gloves. That's about over at that mountain over there, or that bridge, or whatever you want to call it. That's about the height, maybe about 500 feet or so taller, or shorter than the actual ski lodge that's up there. We're really high up. Yeah, really high up. Down there. To let you guys know, my fingers are freezing. They're really numb. It's really hard.
We're coming to a flat bottom.
Yeah.
We're not to the top yet.
We're about halfway now. Get it? Around halfway. There's a favorite run. You see him on an iPod-touch. Sorry about that, guys. It's really fun though. It's bigger than mine. It would be bigger than my fingers. Like, do not want to drop it. My fingers are starting to really hurt.
Coming to an offload station here.
Well,
We're not getting off.
sorry guys, but I gotta stop because my fingers are about to freeze off.